Join me as we take a look into the world of AI and uncover the secrets that can help us all launch explosive side hustles. Leveraging AI for side hustles is becoming a game changer for entrepreneurs, and for good reason. By automating tedious tasks, providing valuable insights, and streamlining workflows, AI can help you build a successful side hustle in record time. When it comes to starting a side hustle, we've all been there, stuck in a cycle of limitations. We're constrained by time, overwhelmed by competition, and unsure of where to start. We know we want to create something meaningful, but the daunting task list and fear of failure hold us back. Most of us struggle to create a side hustle that brings in a decent income, let alone one that scales. We're bogged down by repetitive tasks, stuck in a never-ending cycle of busywork, and struggling to find the time to focus on high-leverage activities. And to top it all off, the market's more saturated than ever, making it seem impossible to stand out. We're not alone in this struggle, though. Many of us have the passion and drive to succeed, but we're missing the one ingredient that can take our side hustles to the next level: efficiency. We need a system that can help us get more done in less time, a system that can help us outsmart the competition, and a system that can help us scale our side hustles without sacrificing our sanity. That's where AI comes in, a powerful tool that can help us break free from the limitations that have held us back for so long. Traditional side hustles require a lot of manual labor, experimentation, and trial and error. But with AI, we can flip the script. We can automate the mundane, focus on high-leverage activities, and create a side hustle that's optimized for growth. The question is, how do we tap into the power of AI to build a successful side hustle? One of the most exciting developments in the AI space is the rise of no-code tools and platforms that can help streamline tasks, enhance productivity, and provide valuable insights for effective side hustles. Tools like Zapier, Automator, and IFTTT have made it ridiculously easy to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up more time for high-leverage activities like strategy, creativity, and innovation. And with the help of AI-powered analytics tools, we can gain a deeper understanding of our market, identify trends, and create data-driven decisions that drive growth. AI can also help us identify new business opportunities and untapped markets. By analyzing market trends, identifying gaps, and pinpointing areas of high demand, AI can help us create a side hustle that's perfectly positioned for success. And with the help of AI-powered content generation tools, we can create high-quality content at scale, saving us time and energy while amplifying our online presence. Another way AI can help is by providing valuable insights that inform our side hustle strategy. By analyzing customer feedback, social media conversations, and online reviews, AI can help us identify areas for improvement, pinpoint pain points, and create a customer-centric approach that drives loyalty and retention. And with the help of AI-powered chatbots, we can provide 24/7 customer support, ensuring that our customers receive the help they need when they need it. Meet Sarah, a busy entrepreneur who transformed her side hustle using AI. Sarah was struggling to grow her online coaching business, stuck in a cycle of manual data entry, social media management, and content creation. But after discovering the power of AI, she was able to automate 80% of her tasks, freeing up more time to focus on high-leverage activities like strategy, creativity, and innovation. By leveraging AI-powered analytics tools, Sarah was able to gain a deeper understanding of her market, identify trends, and create data-driven decisions that drove growth. And with the help of AI-powered content generation tools, Sarah was able to create high-quality content at scale, saving her time and energy while amplifying her online presence. Sarah's success story is just one example of how AI can empower us to achieve our side hustle goals more efficiently. By automating tedious tasks, providing valuable insights, and streamlining workflows, AI can help us build a successful side hustle in record time. So, what's holding you back from leveraging AI in your side hustle? In conclusion, AI is the secret sauce that can help us launch explosive side hustles. By automating tedious tasks, providing valuable insights, and streamlining workflows, AI can help us build a successful side hustle in record time. So, take the first step today, and start exploring the many AI tools and platforms that can help take your side hustle to the next level. What's your favorite AI tool for side hustles? Drop a comment below and share your side hustle experiences. And if you want to learn more about how AI can help you achieve your side hustle goals, be sure to check out my related videos for more insights.